Question: what is the right course of action? This question is asking, what should you do in this situation? Option A: I increase my distance to the vehicle in front moving into my lane. The vehicle that was overtaking me from behind is now moving into my lane in front of me. I should increase my following distance to give myself more time to react safely. Option B: I maintain my speed. Maintaining the same speed is not safe because the vehicle has just moved into my lane. I need to adapt my speed and keep a safe distance. Option C: I brake. Braking is necessary because the overtaking vehicle has moved into my lane in front of me. By braking, I can increase the distance and avoid a collision. So, what are the correct answers? The correct answers are A and C. Why? Answer A is correct because the vehicle that was overtaking me has moved into my lane. Increasing the distance gives me a safer following distance. Answer C is correct because I need to brake to create enough space and prevent a collision. Answer B is incorrect because maintaining my speed could leave too little distance between my vehicle and the vehicle that has just moved in front of me. Remember, when another vehicle moves into your lane, increase your following distance and be prepared to brake.